Super quick pre-Christmas video in response to a question we got from one of our users who wanted to know how to run queries and filters during this time of year when some dates are holidays. And I thought rather than just kind of answer it by email, I'll do this video because it might be of wider interest. So if we look here at this trade date column, we can see we've got a whole load of fictitious dates. Don't worry about the data, it's meaningless. But we see we've got dates that run through from today for the next 10 days till January the 6th. So the question is, how can we only see holidays or working days? So well, the first thing you need to do is you need to tell AdapTable what your holidays are. And you do that through the calendar options section in AdapTable options. So we've added just 3 holidays, Christmas, Boxing Day, because I'm in England, and New Year's Day. And what does that mean? So it means that actually now those holidays are in my system. And then so now if I run a column filter on trade date, if I say I want to see holidays, you can see I now get obviously weekends, Saturday and Sunday, but I also get Monday, Tuesday, Boxing Day and Christmas, and I will get next Monday, which is New Year's Day. Or alternatively, if I want to run the working day filter, then I get everything. It jumps from Friday to Wednesday because the weekend and the 2 holidays we've given us are excluded. So that's how you can do it through predicates. And actually, just out of interest, you can also do it using a grid filter, which is a multiple column filter. And it's exactly the same. This time we do it through an expression. So for instance, we can say, I want to see where anything where trade date is a holiday, and say where currency is not equal to EUR. And now when I apply this filter, I run that, and again I'm seeing holidays, so I'm seeing the weekend, I'm seeing Monday and Tuesday, and then I'm not seeing anything till the following weekend. And obviously, instead of is holiday, I could make that is work day. I could run that filter, and this time of course I see Friday, and then it jumps to Wednesday, and it misses out next Monday because of New Year's Day. So there we are. You can use is work day, is holiday as expressions, or you can use working day and holiday as your predicates. And so long as you give your instance of AdapTable the holidays for your user, it will all work. As always, thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about AdapTable, please get in touch. We'll be delighted to give you a personalised demo or a free no obligation trial license. And wishing you season's greetings and a happy new year.